Yeah, my people, my wonderful people of Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location, wherever that you are watching or hearing me from. I greet you all. Biafra is great, and Biafra must be great. You see, Biafra is great, and Biafra must be great. You see all the plans of all the enemies of Biafra. They have failed. Jovika, 419 pastor in US. How are you? I am still remaining the humble servant of Biafra nation. Ifeanyi Chukwuoko Renteze, aka Gentle de Yahoo. I must to always stand on that truth, and I must to always stand on that gap. I must to still speaking the truth. Number one, I must to appreciate our brother, somebody like Harrison, for exposing Ijele, so-called king of the vulture. I really appreciate that the eyes of our people is now opening. I really appreciate that all the propaganda, all the lies, so that he can be able to make money, more money, to use it and treat his kidney problem. I really appreciate that all the lies is now coming out. We are not a kidnapper, and we can never be a kidnapper. We are not a terrorist, and we can never be a terrorist in our own mother's land. We are only protecting the homeland. And today we are happy that Fulani has been chasing away from our bushes. Though it meant known to everyone that they are moving on in another strategical way by recruiting them, reintegrating them into the society, pushing them into the military, clothing them with a military uniform, so that the plans will still be going on. But I really appreciate that our people is now understanding the leaking pole and where the confusion is coming from. I am really happy for that. Secondly, Jovika, please, Biafrans all over the continent, tag Jovika to me. Make sure that this my message got to him. Jovika, Ikenguruagu, Udele, Lolo Nneka, and with una agents that you people planted here in Biafra land, Binebe Kodi Karia. This message is going directly to you people, and all the rest of you people, and all those that has been funding you people, pushing you people to tarnish the image of Biafrans, to destroy all the good works of Nnamdi Kanu and the Simon Ekpan, and all the genuinely Biafrans working assiduously to see that we are free from all this bondage. Woe unto all of you. Now, how far is going on now? Your president, Ahmed Bola Tinubu. The international community must watch this, and I believe by now they would have heard about it. The WhatsApp voice that have been reviewed and exposed. These are the reason of all these evil Biafrans that has been bribed by all these Fulani jihadists. I don't want to take it too long. I don't want to talk too long. Biafrans, Anyayasa, the international communities, His Excellency Donald J. Trump, please tag him for me. His Excellency Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, Biafra land is bleeding. Biafra land is bleeding, and we need help. We need assistance from you people. The only way to help out this country is only to divide this nation. Let everyone go on his own separatist way. We are not together. We are not one with these evil ones. Fulani is a bastard in this amalgamation of a country called Nigeria. We only have Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo And not only that, we have Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. We are not together, we are not one. And we can never be one, we can never be together. They just merge us together while we are not the same language. We are not one. Biafra has been existing, and Biafra expired in the year of 2014. Please, Biafrans are dying on a daily basis. We need your rescue. We need your help. This is Ifeanyi Chukwuka Oriental calling on you people. We need the help. That is why I come up today, being 27th of May 2027. I mean 2026 if I am not mistaken. So please, we need your people's help. Help Biafrans. Help Biafrans. Biafrans are dying on a daily basis. Biafrans all over the continent. You people have seen what is going on now. You people have received and see the voice notes in which you people is going to listen to it here. For you people to confirm the kind of evil art and the evil attitude, the evil agenda, the reason of these people bribing our people, so that they'll be working against their own people that are seeking and asking for their freedom. Yes, I don't have much to say, rather than to say, please let international community, let all Biafrans all over the continent listen to this voice note and understand where we are going, and understand the reason why we are fighting for our freedom, and understand how we have been struggling to be separate from this evil business center called Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless all of you.